Hello, I'm Rasta and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to set up metapro for Unity plugin. After metapro SDK import, you will find new menu in the top bar called Tools. Click on the metapro SDK setup placed under that menu. In a newly opened window, paste your app key. You can specify if you want to use mainnet or testnet of Binance Smart Chain. Click on Import App button and wait a bit for setup. Now you can download assigned assets to your application. We'll download all assigned content. Downloaded content will be placed in Resources folder. Each asset will have its own folder named by asset ID. Most times it's a matter of drag and drop newly downloaded assets onto your game. You are ready to use assets in your game.